How often do you exercise but you're still bloated? Why is that? First, I congratulate you, bro. You are aware of the problem you have. And I want to move to improve your condition. This is much cooler than guys who don't care about their body, or actually care, just hide behind laziness and various excuses. Okay, to answer the question and help you to have a better body, there are 3 answers. The first is time. How long have you been exercising? How muchas veces la semana do you exercise? Whatever the type of exercise, I suggest you do it for at least 150 minutes per week. And be patient, bro. Your body will not be good within 1-2 months. You need to do it for at least 3 months to see the results. It does sound old, but I don't want to give you false hope, bro. It's better if you are prepared in advance to do this in quite a long time, instead of hoping big but giving up halfway. The second is diet. Our stomach will remain distended as long as it is covered in fat. And fat can only be lost with the concept of calorie deficit. Calories coming in from food must be less than the calories we spend. How to do it? Simple. Less. No need to be extreme. If it's extreme, it will make you craving. Eat a little one day, but the next day eat twice as much. This is actually dangerous, bro. Just reduce your portion by 1/4 of the portion qui normalmente comes. Also reduce sugar by half of what you usually eat. Try it a month, 2 months, 3 months. If you are disciplined, reduce this plus the 150 minutes of exercise earlier. There must be an improvement. Once again, with your record of discipline, if you want more details, you can count calories. Use the MyFitnessPal application to find your daily calorie needs using the TD calculator. The third is how hard you exercise. Many people are mistaken. A good sport is a sport that makes us sweat. In fact, the most important thing is not the amount of sweat we spend, but how fast is your heart beating. Make sure you exercise until your heart rate goes up, because when this happens, it means that your body needs more energy. Here, calories are burned. Fats will also be used for the burning process. Make sure you do weightlifting too. Let all your muscles be bro. The more muscles you have, the more energy your body needs. Hence, the greater the possibility of no burning fat. That was my explanation, bro. Most importantly, stay patient and consistent. I'm sure you can have a nice body